walking up to the side of my shit and your head comes up.
I don't know why you stopped.
Alright, this weekend we're down here at Windrock with Gage, and he had his bachelor party at Windrock, and so far it's been pretty freaking awesome. Got a lot of Honda Talons down here. There's two players, Razors, for you guys that are into that stuff. It doesn't bother me, but we're gonna go ride around, see some stuff, and take everybody on an adventure, I guess. It's pretty hot though. Quads aren't making it. People on dirt bikes hardly making it. It's been rough, but we're gonna get at it.
Gentle start, sir.
We've been out here all this time and we haven't had a single problem. Hey. Stamp on your forehead. Oh my God. Yeah. I feel like your whole frame's just riding on this little flat cell. Basically. Shimmy, shimmy, yeah. Almost. Did you hear that quote? Yeah. It didn't sound too good. Hell yeah. Ow, dude, I just got whipped like my fucking daddy used to beat me. Holy shit. I got these fucking trusty old glasses. I got to put them on. I can't see a damn thing though. Like fog it up and everything. Yeah. It doesn't feel that bad though. That feels great. That's storm test.
That's a clean yet.
We're calling it good enough.
To get you out of here. I don't know if I'm riding on those. I mean, I wouldn't go flying, but you gotta get it back.
We'll be fine.
Get it in.
6.
Oh yeah.
There we go. Horse blurry. I noticed there's there's a lot of trails closed around here. Like, it's pretty wild. You can only stick to like a few main trails. And then like looking at this tablet, there's a shit ton of trails. So
On his, it's red and black. Mine is black.
he's looking at, is he looking at this one now?
No. This is
Right on it.
a no-go, Steve.
Huh?
This is no-go.
This is a no-go?
Yeah. I mean, I don't think so. Look at it. Look where Joey's standing.
No,
No,
people
about this.
have hardly been off the greens.
Wasn't my best idea.
Nah.
It was not my best idea. Oh shit. If anyone finds this video, Trey got us into this.
Yeah. I don't know what we look like right now.
I don't think we look that good because
No.
I look.
Dude, that's
I don't even
straight
see,
up.
I don't even see trees. Oh yeah, nope, can't do that.
Okay.
Can't back up. Dude, he just fucking, his head just pops up. Like, you're walking up to the side of my shit and your head comes up.
I don't know why you stopped.
What do you mean?
What do you mean what do I mean? You almost had it.
I had what? The fucking trees up there? What are you talking about?
What are you talking about, dude? Only one tire's up in the air.
Yeah, but I backed down. I brought it back down. What do you mean?
No. You had it till you let go.
Oh.
No, I'm going to stay in it because I rubbed all the way down.
Yeah. I was surprised. I left
I stopped up there because I was like, I'm going to get out of your way because I didn't stop falling. Well, it just walked right over. Slow the spot. You're about to drop in the road. You're on that. Get up!
To be fair, that was all me. I pushed him up that.
Oh yeah, dude. I thought I was getting crushed.
For having me.
Yeah. Yeah. Check out at 10 a.m. by the way.
Should these be out or they will tell you?
Trey, you get the content?
No, I was running for my life.
Me, Trey, fucking.
No fucking way!
What do you mean we jumped?
No! Y'all filming, I would hope.
Yeah, I was filming. I mean, I don't know.
We jumped over the road.
Yeah, I was jumping.
Why? What do you mean why? This would have landed on us.
Oh yeah, 100%.
I wish you just would have listened to me.
I mean, y'all knew where I was coming.
He's seen the trouble I had. Why do you think you're any different? Because you're white?
Oh, let's not go there. Oh damn, you lost your mean bean.
I know I did.
Well. Alright, you went past me, I'm like,
Dude, the way me and Trey jumped there, it was awesome.
Oh my god, dude. I thought
I need some salt shackles, Steve. Never mind.
I got one.
Boy, what do we get into, dude?
I don't know, where's the next one?
Another beautiful day at Windrock. Let's see what the day brings us. My front brakes are still shot from the race. I have to maintenance everything right now. It's just crazy.
Try and get the winch tight, like closer to pull it all in.
I ain't gonna bail back out of this.
No, we'll get it so far up and then you can unhook.
Probably good there too. If you back up any further, you won't be able to get around.
Yeah, man. Yeah, right here. That's what I'm saying, like, the rocks just showing it. That's what I'm saying, like, I don't like bringing water around. Well, not for this, like, around, like, you feel good.
I was.
Yeah! Spring one. Just jerking as fast as strap will.
Stop somewhere and take off real quick.
Yeah, don't do that.
All right, where are we going?
Old school, buddy. I don't know.
Dead quads.
Look, this is a Wildcat, man.
Yeah, this is a Wildcat map.
Not even the right place.
You guys want a passenger?
They're just a black snake.
Yeah. Yeah, it's like a rat snake.
Yeah.
That's a good size though.
Yeah.
Look at him. He's pissed now. Oh!
You know?
How's it going?
Yeah.
If you haven't seen the last Windrock video, we came up through here and winched up almost everything. It's been like a year. Yeah, I think you had the right idea going up on that second ledge. There you go. Yeah. You can come passenger.
What's that right out in front of me there?
It's a ledge, but you got a flat spot about. Bump it. Yeah, roll back a little bit and bump it again. Roll back a little bit and bump it again. Yeah. Go passenger. There you go.
Come back. Come back.
Why'd you let off? Put your purse down. Put your purse down. Oh, why are you going so far back? Damn, you know exactly what 6 inches looks like. Oh!
I saw all 4 wheels in the air.
What? I think we were talking about 2 different.
I'll give the Razor a benefit of a doubt. Cameras don't do this justice.
What?
Look at that view. So this is one of the mountain bike sections, and it rained really hard down here, so they have to fix it. It washed out. Actually, they got a bridge right here. Check this out. Yeah, I mean, this is one of the creeks. Yeah, that guy's been working here all day. Where's everybody going?
It feels so good. Yeah, it's cold.
Holy shit. This south too should pass.
That's fucking crazy. Yeah. 20 minutes ago, it was hot. I was fine with hot.
Yeah, I was fine. I was fine with hot.
Hey, Jackson, you're cold. I'll turn the heater on when we get going. Fucking jerky, man.
Well, the good news is it's not moving very fast.
Yeah. Shitty news is I'm already soaked. Do I? My shoes are fucked.
Well, so we head back, or?
I am. I'm I'll be back out after a while.
Yeah. Yeah, by the time we make it back, it'll be done.
Go back out.
Well, I'm not in the rain right now, but it's just in front of us, so I know if I ride a little bit faster, I'll end up in it. Right now, it's not too bad. It's going that way, so I'll sit here and chill for a second. These are my good riding jeans. Now they're soaked, so I'm gonna have to let them dry out. My boots are full of water. A couple of them look pretty broke.
Huh?
A couple of them look pretty broke.
Yeah.
Like that one's still going pretty good.
Last time we was here, you were able to drive up to the bottom of them.
I mean, you can. We just gotta go around the gate.
Weren't they, Joey? What? I said before, wasn't we able to drive up to them?
Donald Trump rocks donkeys. It's pretty cool.
I think I tried to jump off too fast for him. Like,
You definitely,
like I'm not always stopping and trying to get off.
right. I'm pretty sure somebody took a shit behind this thing. Thank goodness it's light.
Yeah. I slid out.
Oh, dude. Yeah. I barely made it up and I was hanging on. I was like, oh, I didn't.
I slid, I went between two trees. I was like,
Yeah. My problem is like when I'm sitting down on the hill, like I should have stood at the bottom for sure because I couldn't, there was no way I was standing on and holding the gas and leaning up at the same time. Like, I was just trying to keep momentum.
yeah. Sorry, thanks. This is a nice little trail.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. It's a hell of an overlook. Oh yeah, 100%. Living on the edge.
I'm not a good bike rider.
Looks like the gnarliest accident ever. I don't know how many times you dropped it, but...
There's a couple times I was just going down, I was going like real slow and like trying to keep my feet out and stuff.
Yeah,
And
sometimes it's better just to ride the ruts out.
Yeah.
Because if you try to split them, you'll just fall into them.
Should be able to go from here.
Old girl takes a pounding. It's got cruise control.
The last thing we need is fucking throttle stick.
Yeah. After what you just did.
That's just from the handlebar to the landed on the thing.
Yeah. It's almost what it seemed like happened when you fucking try to come up over this. Like it seemed like it was.
I mean, this did hit the rock, but I don't think.
Yeah. Yeah, I feel like if anything's gonna be a problem, it's that. Yeah. We still got a little bit.
Said we were exiting the bike park.
Yeah.
Sorry, I'm slowing you down, dude.
Oh no, you're good. Yeah,
I've been on this trail in a really long time.
Yeah, we're kind of getting ready to drop down to where that bike was.
What bike?
The bike that we just heard. That's like the main road that goes back to the blacktop. Like one of the first big forks.
Yeah. I was surprised you saw this one coming in. Well, that thing's like tucked in the woods.
Yeah. Well, I remember when I came out yesterday, I was like, oh, I've been here. So Joe's throttle is sticking, and that's definitely gonna make it hard to ride.
Okay, I don't know what happened there. I feel like I just jumped off.
Yeah. Yeah, it definitely helps to stand so you can like lean forward a little bit. And I usually just stay in the ruts. Because when it's muddy like this, you just end up in them anyways.
Yeah, I guess it kicked me out too.
Grab that front brake. Where are you going?
All right.
Riding with Joe's a lot of work. This view never gets old. All right, we're with the side by sides now, and this should be a good time. You know, it's kind of fun to ride. It's not always fun to ride with them, but it is fun to ride with them because you get to play around a little bit more and you move at a slower pace. Because usually, if it's just you or like three buddies, you guys typically just fly through all these little play areas. Like right here, we got a good little jump over the creek. I'm not going to attempt it, but one of you guys probably would, you know. Right there, we got like a little culvert. You can hop out of that.
I need someone other than Mother Nature to make it rain.
What is it? Okay. Oh.
Get this squeegee.
Not like it's gonna matter.
Not looking good.
I just looked at my shoe.
Hey, I hear you. Lifetime. 2.5 minutes. You look with a couple kids, outstanding, quarter pound. Insurance.
That's it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. I sure had a good time. I hope Gage had a good time. If you guys like this content, hit that like button, and we'll see you guys in the next one.